1946 Lincoln Continental Convertible here at Unique Specialty and Classics. All right, underneath the hood, V12 power. That's paired up with a manual transmission. Shifter on the column. Now about this car, it will run and drive. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. There are some things that are going to need some attention though before this is taken on any sort of long trips, and we'll get into that in just a bit. First of all, let's take a look at the beautiful chrome and bright work up front on this one, from the grille to the bumper, headlight bezels. It's kind of a medium gray metallic with a wine interior. Now, if you want to check out the still picture so you can see this car from every angle, you'll be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, cargo area. All those still pics can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That'll take you right to our website. And of course you can call us, 507-386-1726. So you can see steel wheels, beauty rings, and then the wide white wall bias ply tires. Now, there are some other parts and miscellaneous things that'll come along with this. So there are 4 wheel covers there, the fender skirts, and we'll get into that in just a bit too. Let's take a look down this passenger side first of all. Now, one of the things that will need attention are the brakes. So the car will start up and we can drive it, but there is literally basically about no brakes. So you're not going to want to take this out on the highway. Obviously, we've driven it around the parking lot and we've moved it around here in the showroom. You just got to be very careful, go very slow. So one of the things that's going to need attention is the brakes. Now, take a look at the convertible top. Appears to be a nice shape. As far as the top and the windows, the pumps run, but they will just click because this is going to have hydraulic windows. So the hydraulic pump clicks on the windows as well as the convertible top. Take a look at the, of course, rear mounted spare, chrome on the rear bumper. Of course, the storage area or luggage area in front of the spare. You'll be able to see that in the still pictures. All right, some of the miscellaneous things over here. It looks like we have a convertible top cover. Spare battery. The battery was replaced. There's a 6-volt system yet. There's some gaskets. Belt. There's your wheel covers and fender skirts. And you'll be able to look at those in the still pictures also. And again, those still pictures all can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. All right, some more things about the car. Carb has been rebuilt. Gauges are in op. The tires and suspension components will also need some attention. Tires are showing their age. And the power and drivetrain. So powertrain and drivetrain. Have some seeps and weeps, which you'd expect out of an older car, obviously. Let's take a look down this driver's side. Consigner the vehicle, said announce what it needs and price it accordingly. You can see the paint still has a nice shine to it. Good look. Just needs somebody with some care. Take it to the next level. If you like these older Lincolns, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. The videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. You can see upholstery is going to need some care up front. Back doesn't look like it's in too bad a shape, and you'll be able to see that in the still pictures also. There is a fuel pump switch right down here, this little one right there, and have it towards you, and that will be on. That's the way it is right now. So what we're going to do is we're going to pull this. It's basically ignition switch. Push button over here on the left side to start it up. Fires right up. I'll let you take a look at the bright work on the interior. Dash looks good, pretty stock. Hood release also under here. We're going to pop that so we take a look at the engine bay. So obviously that V12 fires right up. Smooth runner. Also a pretty rare car. Not too many, over what, a few hundred of these made, I believe it was. All right, let me pause this a second. I want to get this hood open, take a look at that engine bay, and then we'll wrap up this walk around video. There's the underside of the hood, painted flat black, of course, the dual horns. Here it is. And I mentioned this is obviously a pretty rare car. I believe it when I say a little over 200, I think it was 201, if memory serves me correctly. If you're a 46 Lincoln Continental convertible expert, go ahead and put it down in the comments down below this video if you know how many of these were built. I know it's not very many. Smooth running, a nice engine bay. Just needs a little love and attention. 1946 Lincoln Continental convertible. Number to call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course we can assist with transportation. Look forward to hearing from you on this one.